Hey guys, this is Mr. H again. Hey, I'm going to do the next four problems, um, 8, 9, 10, and 11. These are basically similar questions, um, in that we are going to be given the y-intercept and slope and asked to graph it, or they're going to give us a graph and they want us to find the y-intercept and the slope. So, all right, I'm going to start by doing number 8 here. I'm going to make this larger so everyone can see it. So, very first thing I know. If you look at this, the y-intercept is called the B term, and basically what I like to say is it stands for begin. That's where you're going to begin. And the slope, which is M, is going to stand for how we're going to move from that beginning point. So, very first thing I want to do is, since they told us that the y-intercept is a -3, I'm going to go to the y-axis and I'm just going to plot it at a -3. So here is where I would plot it. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the slope that they give us. So if the slope is a -3/5, that means that the top is a -3, the rise is a -3, and that means the run is going to be a +5. So that's what I'm going to do. Starting at a -3, I'm going to go down 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to go to the right 5. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is my next point. There's the line. And basically that's it. Um, +5. That's it. That's what they want. They want you to graph it. Of course, I should use a ruler. You should put arrows on it, but that's basically it. All right. So now I'm going to do another. I'm going to do another one. Let's see here. Let me make this a little larger so you can see it. Now, this one, again, they've given us the y-intercept, but they've also given us the slope. So you always start by going to the B, or the beginning term that they gave us is the y-intercept. So we're going to go to 2 on the y-axis, and we're going to put a nice dot there to indicate that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use the slope, which is 3/2. So that's a +3 over a +2. We're going to rise up 3, and then we're going to run to the right 2. So we're going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to run to the right 2 more. 1, 2. And here's my second point. So once I get that point, I can put my little dot there, and then I'm going to draw the best line that I can through those 2 points, put some arrows on it, and we're good. That's it. That's all you need to be able to do. You need to be able to use the y-intercept and the slope to graph. And when you're graphing things like this, that's all you need are 2 points. All right, let me go to 10. I wanted to keep this under try to keep it under 5 minutes. Okay. Now this one, instead of giving us explicitly the y-intercept and the slope, they've given us the equation for a line, but they've given it in slope-intercept form. So this is y equals mx plus b. So this is the slope and this is the y-intercept. So I'm going to go to the y-axis and I'm going to go to a +5 and I'm going to plot it right here. And then I'm going to use the slope. The run is going to be a +1, and or this, excuse me, that was not what I'm supposed to say. The rise is going to be a +1, and the run is going to be a +2. So I'm going to go up 1, boom, and then I'm going to run 2, boom. And so here is my next point. Now I can do that again. I can go up 1, and then I can run 2. And this would be my next point after that. I could keep doing that. I could go to the left or the right doing that. But now I've got more than enough points, so I'm going to draw my line through there. And that's what it looks like. Okay, that's it. Rise over run, y-intercept, good. I'm going to do one more example. This one is saying, look at this line and tell me what the equation is. So the very first thing I would do is you have to get 2 points on here to be able to find the slope. So the very first point I'm going to use is I'm going to use the y-intercept, which is a +1. And then if you can look closely, they've actually given us a couple points to use. Here's 1, Here's one over here. Here's one over here. I'm going to use the two that are closest to the y-intercept, or the one that's closest to the y-intercept. So if I start here, I'm going to go up one, and then I'm going to go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I went to the right. So the slope of this line is 1/5. The y-intercept of this line is a positive 1. So the equation is going to be y equals 1/5 x, because this is the slope, the rise of a run. And then the y-intercept is a positive 1. That's it. If you wanted to check it, you could put this into the graphing calculator and make sure your line kind of looks like this, but I'm pretty comfortable. All right, so that's it, guys. I'm going to stop this and then post it.